No one wants to come home from a relaxing vacation to a plumbing disaster. I'm Miriam Johnson, co-host of the TV series Home Time. Whether you live in the deep south or the far north, if you're leaving for a period of time, you may want to take a few precautions when it comes to your plumbing. The goal is to prevent any water damage that'll happen if your pipes break, burst, or leak while you're gone. First, turn off the main water valve in your home. In colder regions, the water line usually enters through the floor of the foundation. In warmer climates, the water valve is likely just outside the house or buried in the ground inside a box with an access cover. Next, turn on the taps and drain the water. Then flush your toilets. This releases water pressure from your pipes. That way, if a pipe does break, there'll be very little water damage, if any at all. And in the wintertime, be sure to set your thermostat to at least 55 degrees to keep your home and your pipes warm. A cold snap can happen any place, anytime. Before you head out to the sun, surf, or snow, be sure your home is safe. Give us a call. We'll be happy to help you out.